Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you data science for beginners from Microsoft. If you are aspired and interested in this data science, if you want to become a data scientist or if you want to get into a data analyst work, this course is a very useful and then you can try it out. It's absolutely free one and Microsoft provides that. You don't need any prior experience also. That is one of the biggest advantage. If you don't know about what is a data science or data analyst job, then you can get into this program and then you can check that. I'm going to give you a walkthrough how is the course, what are the material it contains, and I can give you the knowledge. Stay tuned. Let's see what are the curriculum contents in this. It's actually a 20 lesson that focus on the foundation of data science. It's a 10 weeks lesson. You can do it on your own. There is no say that okay you have to complete every week. You can work on your own as well. So this one doesn't have any prior knowledge for a data science. If you are very new to this course absolutely fine for you. This curriculum is structured with a pre-lesson warm-up quiz, written lesson videos, and you have the knowledge checks, project to build, infographics in visualize, and then there are challenge, there are some assignments, and then each lesson you will have the quiz to check your knowledge as well. And also you can deepen your knowledge to on the Microsoft Learn. Let's go to data science for beginners at 10 weeks 20 lesson data science for all. Is this a GitHub repository? We will go there and then we will check what are it contains on that. If you click this, you will end up on this page. If you scroll down, data science for beginners, a curriculum, it is a 10-week program and 20 lessons in this curriculum all about the data science. As I said earlier, we don't need any prior experience on data science. So if you scroll down a little bit, each lessons include, it has a sketch note and it is a video attached to that, and then it is a warm-up quiz you have, and then you have a written lesson, and then the project based lessons, and then post lesson quiz as well. If you look at the program for a data science beginners roadmap, it has a lesson number 1. It's a topic defining the data science. It's an introduction. It will give you the introduction, what is data science. Second one is a data science ethics. It will talk about what is a data ethics concept, challenges, what are the frameworks it is contains. And then the third lesson is a defining data and introduction to statistics and probability. This is a little bit of mathematical work. If you are good in mathematics, if you're not good also, but at least you will get a knowledge what is behind on. And working with the relational data, that is again it's a SQL. You will have the more knowledge on all the areas actually, not only on the application side, also on the database side as well. So working with NoSQL data, that's another one. You will get the knowledge what is it, what is mean SQL data and what is a NoSQL data. Working with the Python is a very wide language right now. So this program contains the Python language. And then the data preparation, this is one of the biggest part, the data preparation, because if you are a data scientist, because the data preparation is one of the tedious job if you ask anyone. Okay, because you need to cleanse it, you need to prepare it, you need to get the right features for that any work, and then you need to visualizing it. This is like a which visually you will how you present, and then visualizing the quantities, visualizing the distribution of data, visualizing the proportions, visualizing the relationship. These are the things actually. It is like how you visualize the most of that data. We get a raw data always, right? So but when we present it to us, you want to see that what are the outliers or something you want to see in a better way. The visualizing the data is a better concept. 14th lesson, they are coming to an introduction to the data science life cycle, and then analyzing, and then communication, data science in the cloud. If you want to get into data science or any other AI or ML thing, you need to be very patient. So you need to spend your time 3 months to 6 months as a basic, and then you need to go for the intermediate another 6 months. To not get go and rush it, because it says 10 weeks program and 20 lessons, but you need to go through at least 2 to 3 times to understand what is the data science if you are a new guy. Get the benefit and welcome to the data science world. As if you want to download these lessons on the PDF, if you scroll down to this web page, you can see the PDF for all the lessons can be found here. If you click here, and then you can land up on this page. It contains all the information, what are the lessons it contains. If you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will post more videos and then I'll give you more information on the A and ML topics. Thank you for watching.